Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Right for the Stories, founder of Self-Cut System. And today we're gonna do some unboxing for the Self-Cut System Retro Kit. So I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what's inside of this beautiful box. So as you can see, this is the Self-Cut System Retro Kit, cordless clipper and trimmer. So you got the Self-Cut System Lambo and you got the Self-Cut System Finisher. So let me open this, unbox this. So the first thing you see are the chargers for the clipper and the trimmer. Okay, let me take out the Lambo. You got the Lambo here. Look how shiny is this, brand new. So you have the guards. You have you got 8 guards total. So the guards, here's the guards for the trimmer. And where's the trimmer at? The trimmer is right here. Again, we taped it up so it won't turn on while it's being shipped out. What else do we have? Oh, we have, obviously you need the oil for both. You have the charger stand. It's pretty cool for the trimmer. And then you have the brush. You got the pamphlet. And you got another brush. And that's pretty much it, guys. And I just picked up the Self-Cut System Lambo clipper, cordless. And yes, you could see that there is a tape around the clipper, and the purpose of that is to prevent from the clipper being turned on. All right, and if you look outside the external components of the Self-Cut System Lambo clipper, is that it's chrome plated, very similar to the Self-Cut System Black Lambo mirror. And the level is also chrome plated. And if you look under the clipper, as you can see, this part where it has a better grip, so it prevents you from pretty much dropping your clipper when cutting your hair. And if you take the cover off the blade, you can see the blade has already been adjusted, so you don't need to adjust it. This is already chargeable. Look at that. I'm gonna put this back. And then the next one I have here is the Self-Cut System Finisher trimmer. Again, there's a tape wrap around the trimmer, so to prevent for the trimmer being turned on. And if you look at the blade of the trimmer, is zero gap blade, no adjustment required. Look at this. Okay, it's very lightweight, and based on the cutting performance, it gives you that barbershop quality edge up. And you have 4 guards here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We actually have 8 guards. So right now we're just showing 4 guards for the clipper, and then the trimmer. You have different guards. Let me check this out. This is perfect for doing your beard. Perfect. It also, and then you see there's 2 brushes and 2 oils. Okay. And you also get 2 rechargeable cords for the clipper and trimmer. And also this is for the trimmer. Just place it this way, just like this. And you could recharge it. I think that's pretty much it, guys. So these are the things that's inside, is included inside the self-cut system retro kit. Yeah, so make sure to get them and try them out. And we offer 1 year warranty on all our products, especially our retro kit package. All right, guys, this is available on our website, selfcutsystem.com, and make sure to use our promo code WELCOME10 to get a 10% discount for any of the self-cut system products.